So coming back to the toning of Layo, Layo, and when you put 7 or more of these on your body, you'll find your centers guide you around your sound. You can go low, Layo, Layo. The lapis will draw you down into the root or the hara or solar plexus, or it might draw you up, and you'll find that the vowel gets affected by the register or the tonality around where you're placing your voice. But just go freely. Experiment with opening up your chakras and allow the toning to take you inside. And as it connects with the energy of your chakras, feel how the stone is vibrating with that energy. Say we focus on one chakra, maybe the root, we go down, Layo. Sometimes you'll find the sound, the vowel is more O, sometimes it's more E, sometimes it's more Oo. You'll be completely influenced by your center, but just don't worry about that. Just let your voice align naturally. Just allow your voice to open each chakra as you go. And what happens then, exactly, the sound connects the sound of your chakras together. The sound also changes from chakra to chakra, but it also then links the chakras. What they say to each other, in a sense, is, we could say, well, I lend you my power. So for example, the root will lend its power to the hara as the sacral center opens, and as those two centers open, the power of those two centers will speak to the next one and help that one expand. And as they all expand upwards, it's good to start at the base with the lapis, with the toning. And each one will feel the incrementing of the power as it builds up through each chakra and builds up through the chakras. And when it comes up to the top, you will feel that, in a sense, you're opening up to a shower of lapis radiance that will come down as pure blue light. And it will come down because you have opened up the codes, because you have literally opened up the pathways. You could say to the liquid lazuli, to the energy of the lapis that has become a crystallized into the stone, but what is in fact pure light that radiates from the highest source. And so as you come up through the centers, you'll find that when we get to the top, you have this wonderful experience of opening to the heavens. You'll feel the blue, blue sky. You'll feel the heavens radiant with lapis frequency, which is love, which is honor, which is service in that sense of open-hearted generosity, of giving. You might find you just want to do something for someone, but when you open these chakras one at a time, what happens is all the qualities of that radiance pour down through all the centers, washing them clean, cleaning them, blessing them with the divine purity and beauty of the lapis pure frequency. So yes, give it a go. Maybe you have lapis already. Come back to this video and drop me a little comment of, yeah, if you're working with your chakras. Big love.